Welcome to this Presto course. We're going to work with the Presto SQL.io distribution of Presto. In this course, we will start with a real-world scenario and then dive into the user segments and pain points that we want to solve. Once we understand the problem, we will architect a solution to address that specific problem. Once we have that solution, we will then install and set up Presto. We will cover the fundamentals like the coordinator, worker, connectors, and all that jazz that underpins Presto. One nice thing is that Presto forces you to interact with other projects in the big data ecosystem. And so to visualize data, we will take a look at clients like the Presto CLI, RStudio, and Tableau. For storage, we will take a look at data sources like the MySQL database, Kafka, and HDFS. Presto is strictly a compute engine, and this means that it does not have its own storage. As a result, we have to rely on external storage. Now, once we're done setting up the system and pipeline, we'll go ahead and demo the solution. We'll show how the solution addresses the original user pain points and needs. We'll show you how to join data from multiple data sources and extract insights from that data. The good news is that we're not just going to talk about this. Instead, I'm going to make sure you have a lot of hands-on exercises to fully understand and grok Presto. I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. For all you technical buffs out there, here is exactly what I'm going to show you and walk you through. You're going to get first-hand experience setting up Presto, and I mean that setting up the coordinator, worker, and connectors. We will then move on to the client side of things, where we're going to set up the Presto CLI, RStudio, and Tableau. And finally, we're going to move on to the data storage side of things, where we're going to set up the MySQL database, Kafka, and HDFS. We're also going to install and set up Hive and set up the Hive metastore to handle our metadata for the HDFS data. All you need in terms of prerequisites is a basic familiarity with SQL, a basic familiarity with the Linux command line, a computer, and an internet connection. And with that, let's get started.